Hi, we are Spectrochip. Today we are going to introduce our Pleroma mini spectrometer. Pleroma miniature spectrometer is a spectroscopic instrument, which incorporates our exclusive patent microspectroscopic chip, Spectrochip, and OV9281 sensor. This device has an excellent spectral resolution and can measure unknown light sources in the range of 300 to 1000 nanometers, with a spectral resolution of 5 to 7 nanometers. Its accuracy is verified by mercury-argon calibration light source, and each device comes with a wavelength calibration data report. The measurement is performed using a Raspberry Pi computer. Simply connect the light source to be detected, and open our software to perform spectral measurements of the unknown light source. The operation is very simple. It is a convenient and accurate miniature spectroscopy measurement system. The size of the Pleroma miniature spectrometer is very small. The size is 44 by 47.28 by 26.25 millimeters, and it only weighs 12 grams. The base is equipped with a SMA905 fiber optic connector for connecting the light source to be measured, and there is also a ribbon cable interface for connecting the Raspberry Pi computer. The product is compatible with these Raspberry Pi models. 2 ribbon cables will be provided for use with different Raspberry Pi models. Below is a comparison chart of the Pleroma mini spectrometer and the Ocean HR4000 spectrometer, as well as the C12666MA microspectrometer, measuring the spectrum of mercury vapor lamps. The sensitivity of Pleroma and Ocean spectrometers tends to be consistent, compared with the data comparison chart of the Japanese brand spectrometer. We have a wider wavelength detection range and a more precise resolution range. Let us demonstrate the software operation process with a mercury lamp as an example. First, connect Pleroma to the Raspberry Pi and the light source. Then, download and open our spectrum measurement software. Enter the wavelength correction coefficient provided by us. Once input is complete, click Start to obtain the spectrum. Then click Start Auto Scaling to obtain the spectrum data within the specified range. This software also provides a wavelength correction function. You can click on the default mercury lamp data for correction, or enter the specified light source parameters for correction. We will also show you the spectrum measurement of white light. After connecting the light source, click Start to obtain the spectrum. Then click Start Auto Scaling to obtain the spectrum data of white light. Finally, you can save the spectrum data to your computer. Let's summarize the advantages of the Pleroma miniature spectrometer. Firstly, compared with traditional laboratory spectrometers, Pleroma miniature spectrometer has a significantly reduced size and has the same precision as the spectrometers used by traditional research institutions. Secondly, the compact Spectrochip of Pleroma has greatly reduced manufacturing costs, has entered the mass production stage, and can provide scientific research units or individuals with a more economical and low-cost professional spectrometer. Thirdly, Pleroma miniature spectrometer is customizable and multifunctional with a full band detection range that can be designed into different detection modules according to different detection needs, and can be applied in the fields of medical health, food safety, environmental monitoring, industrial production, etc., to meet the testing needs of various experiments. That concludes our introduction today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.